Guys, on today's video we're going to be doing some snow stop. We're going to do this roof here, do one row at the bottom of each one, and just show you guys kind of how we put it on. It's very simple. We just screw it on towards the bottom and it just stops the snow from just flying off these metal roofs, which is probably something you should have on most roofs if you don't want it to rip off your whatever those things are, the water, rain gutters and all that. So, and also don't come flying down and impale you with a piece of ice or something, I don't know, so, or your horses. So hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just gonna start here, that way. Oh boy.
Come around that stuff.
Okay, we got 30 foot and 31, so probably can go underneath here a little bit.
Oh yeah, this doesn't even seem any steeper.
So they did the top on the line.
Thing is, you get dust on these roofs, they tend to be.
Yeah, it's actually a pretty clean roof, in my opinion.
You just have this hat.
Okay. Yep.
Far enough that we don't have to cut it.
Oh yeah, we should be good. So what I'm doing here is I'm finding a screw row, so I know I have a 2x4. I'm doing my top section, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a row of screws solidly there. That way, snow hitting at the top, you'll have that solid. And if you have a 2x6, you could probably hit both sides. With 2x4, you're probably not going to do that, so the bottom will just hit in the metal, but it'll be like a stitch screw, but that'll be fine. And probably also for water purposes, you'd want the top to where you can really suck it off tight. No, it sounds kind of funny, but you want your screw to be able to washer to something good to bite in. So that's why I just pick the 2-foot row up and just follow it along the top, and that's about as simple as it is. There. Now I ain't gonna fall off either. I'll go ahead and set it, and then we can stick screws in later. And also, just an explanation, this is the top, so this stops the snow, and you want this angle going down, so you want it sitting like that. All right, so we got one side on, and just kind of put them on like ridge cap. Screw on each side, top of the ribs, just like that.